everything we got. We got some chicken nuggets. We're going to a friend's house tonight, so I got those just to bring over. Chicken was on sale this week, so I'll get these and slice them in half. And usually I cut them, like butterfly them as well, because they're super thick. They take less time to cook that way. This was an awesome deal. I don't know if ground beef was on sale at the grocery store. Typically I buy the grass-fed beef, but this was on sale for $8, and then it had one of those little peely things. So it was like $4. Super inexpensive. So, and that was for just over 4 pounds. So that will last us 4 meals: tacos, burgers, meatballs, and pasta or something like that. And then 18 organic eggs, some sour cream. We got cream cheese, 3 of those. Those were on sale. So when you buy, there was like a list of different things. So I think they ended up being $1.88 or something each. So I got those, and then the Andy's mac and cheese was part of that deal. I got a big brick of cheese. This is so much better to slice yourself or grate it yourself. It tastes better. It doesn't have, I don't know if the cheese that comes in like those little bags are dry and they just have like a weird taste to them. I think these are much better, so I like to shred it myself. We needed some deli cheese. We got some raspberries, strawberries, carrots, 2 bags of carrots, 2 bags of salad, and a big bag of spinach. All of these were on sale for $1 each. They were all 99 cents actually. So 2 bags of carrots, that's only $5 right there. So cucumber, some feta cheese, a lemon to go with the chicken recipe, a couple of snacks. We don't really need anything at all, but these were 99 cents, so I grabbed 2 of those. These end up being 88 cents when you bought them in conjunction with the Philadelphia cream cheese. And then I got some whole wheat bread. And then this is an Ibotta deal. Any size was $2 off, and it was on sale for $3.99, so I only paid $2 for it. So, and then I'm not sure if I mentioned we got some organic chocolate milk and also some organic 1% milk. Well, that was my total, $64.97. All right, so now that we have all of our groceries and everything like that, we are going to make some chicken for chicken parm and also for salads for the week. I also had a roasted chicken in the oven, but lost the footage. I don't know, it worked on my computer, but when I transferred it over, it didn't go through. I don't know, still trying to figure this whole thing out. Just got a new camera, so that was done. I also washed, cut all my produce as I normally do. And also later in the video, we're going to be making some buff dip. chicken all done. We are just boiling a chicken breast for our buffalo chicken dip. It's so good to do it this way. It's so much quicker. I used to just do it and throw it all in the crock pot, but this way is so much easier. And then you take a hand mixer and just shred everything. It's so quick, it just comes out perfect. It's so good. Now we just dump the chicken in a baking dish, and then it's just a brick of cream cheese, buffalo sauce, a little bit of ranch dressing is just what I had left, and some cheddar cheese. I didn't measure, I just kind of dumped some stuff in, but I think the recipe called for 1 cup of buff dip, 1 cup of ranch, a brick of cream cheese, and maybe a cup of cheddar cheese if I was to guess. And here is where the cream cheese gave me the hardest time. I couldn't open the box, and then I couldn't get it out of the package. I'd like ridiculous, but this is just real life and things that happen when you're trying to cook and things do not go your way. That is it. We just bake the buff dip and it's good to go. I usually have it in the fridge for a couple of days. Usually just have it for like a snack or whatever. The kids like to eat it too. My husband does as well. So these are just a few things you can make and already have during the week. So it's just one less thing. You already have that chicken made. You have buff dip as a snack or as a side, anything like that. It just makes it easier for your week. If you guys liked this video, I would love if you would subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what kind of video in meal prep you'd like to see next. Bye!